All right, here we go. This looks like the same old routine, doesn't it? Not today. Today, the physical and digital worlds become one. This is the HPZ 3D camera. Consider it a fast-forward button to digital realism. Are you ready? Let's go. Watch this. Can you see that? It's capturing geometry, capturing texture in real time, and removing hands, all at once, in minutes. It's as easy as recording video. This life is complex, organic, imperfect, and we strive for that realness in our digital worlds. This turns physical reality into the ultimate 3D digital palette. This is texture based on the real texture, physicality based on the real physical attributes. We're just accelerating the process. Richness, precision, control. We no longer have to start from scratch. 3D design meets 3D capture, and it's all right here in your workspace. You've never worked this way before, because there's never been a way to work like this before.